All right, so hopefully you all have some kind of internet-enabled device, a laptop or cell phone or something. I'm going to ask you all to log in. By the way, you guys need a break at this point? No? Okay. Log in and then get in under the math 1201. All right, in there, we're gonna go under materials. By the way, this is where you will find almost everything. The only two things you'll probably ever really look to is the materials content. And the only other thing you'll look to is your assessments, and then there's a drop down that says grades. Those are the two places that you're probably only ever gonna have to look for anything. Now, you can always go wander around in there and look, but there's not much more to tell you, okay? Almost everything is going to be in those two places. So you're going to go in under materials and content. Are folks there? Okay. Under the table of contents, right? Once you've gone into the materials contents, under here, you're going to see something called vital source first day. This is a one-time process, okay? We only have to do this the one time. You're going to go in there. Once you're there, we're going to click on the link for vital source. Okay. And I'm hoping that some of y'all are doing that while we're doing this, right? All right, once you click on the link for vital source, you'll see something that looks like this. Okay. You're going to click on the reveal access code. When you do that, you're going to have something that looks like this. Now you'll have information in here. You'll have like a bunch of words or letters and numbers and whatever. Okay. That's why they give you the copy feature. I don't have it because I'm the instructor. Okay. So I couldn't actually like show you exactly what it would look like. Okay. But this is about as close as it's going to get. Okay. Once you've got that copied, this is going to seem really weird. You've got it copied. Now we're going to go, whoops, kind of chat here. What's going on? That's because you're so new, right? You were the one that registered today, yes? Okay, you'll go ahead and register using temporary, and I'll show you that here in just a moment, okay? But probably in the next day or two, you should be able to do this process, right? And since I'm recording this, I'll post it on the page in D2L, and y'all can go look back and look at this if you have any questions. Okay. All right, so then we've got the copy. We're going to go back to D2L, go to the contents and materials part, right? I think I have it backwards, materials and then contents, whichever way it is. Under the table of contents, you're going to find the Pearson, right? I can go up here and show you. Okay, it's on this one, it says homework quizzes and ebook, and then I have in parentheses Pearson. Okay. So that's what you're going to click on. When you do that, you should probably be taken to a page where they'll say something about, let's get you started or get your book or whatever. And there's this yellow orange button that you're going to click. Because I had already submitted that to my, done that work, I can't show it to you anymore, so. All right, so assuming you have a Pearson account, if you don't have a Pearson account, you're gonna wanna register for one. I'm gonna strongly encourage you to use your school email address to do that. Okay? When you do that, when you have clicked on that Pearson link and you have a Pearson account, this is the screen you're gonna see. All right? You're gonna paste your access code in here. You're gonna click that access code button. Right? And then you're gonna paste what you got in that you took from the previous copy. Okay? And then you would hit enter and it should register you, like give you access immediately. Now, if you do not have an access code or there's some problem, which sometimes happens, if that's the case, you can register for a temporary access that will give you up to 2 weeks. Okay, and again, don't go buy anything from Pearson or from the bookstore. You already own the stuff you need. We just need to get it to work for you. Okay. So, but if you need it, it says waiting for financial aid and then it says get temporary access without payment for 14 days. You would click that link and it will ask you information like what class are you in and blah, blah, blah. And you should be able to get that access for those 2 weeks. All right. So regardless, whether you have, you have a device with you, whether you know what you're, you can have up to 14 days without a problem. All right. And hopefully by that time you will have realized that you need to come and see me and we'll get you sorted out as far as getting your access to your own rather than the temporary. And that's it. That is, let me go ahead and give you a break.